Meta's VR scale-back promised better AI, and now we can actually see what it meant by that. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to tech place. Meta has launched Muse Spark that works across a range of metrics, including reasoning, health, and agentic tasks. Looking at the performance specs, Muse Spark is either matching, surpassing, or being just behind its Gemini and ChatGPT competitors. Meta's announcement report says we should look forward to increasingly capable models over time. Plus, the report says Muse Spark won't be used in chemical and biological weapons either. But perhaps the most interesting part is that this new AI will soon be rolling out to Meta glasses, at least in the US, where Meta usually introduces new software features first. Meta promises that Muse Spark will also debut on Facebook, Messenger, WhatsApp, and its Ray-Ban and Oakley smart specs in the coming weeks, which should bring some serious performance boosts. Exactly what this boost will look like is yet to be seen, but judging by Muse Spark's experience on other platforms, the AI glasses might see improvements in conversational performance, image and video editing, and improved health data assistance. While Meta may supercharge its AI in smart glasses, but it doesn't seem to address some of the biggest concerns users have primarily had with data privacy, especially for images and video. Perhaps the major improvements and utility of the new Meta AI will win people over. However, as Meta's lacking ability compared to its rivals was a growing frustration that does at least seem to have been addressed. We'll have to wait and see how Muse Spark unfolds. Let's see if it can live up to and maintain the hype. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.